Hi little spam. So this is the second video of the video series, and in this video I'm going to review this book. So let's start. So now let's dive into this particular book, and I have some complaint about this edition. There is a different edition which is already visible on your screen, and this edition has curated and well organized the points and sentences, descriptions of other chapters, but this particular edition lacks most of them, which make it tougher for the beginner to go with paper one. For example, if I wanna say is that this type of things, they are really very much confusing. Why I'm saying this, when you are looking for this particular thing, you will again face the same thing after 2 or 3 chapters, and you will be confused if he is saying that there are 4 division, then and you are counting like okay 1 2 3, but when it comes to 4 you can't find it, but it is already there. So I have faced this problem, which makes it really, sometimes I feel very irritating ki why it's happening. But when I get the PDF version of the same book, I got to know everything very well, because there they have done there they have modified the book. I have to point this out. Yes, and also this is a bookmark. Yes. Now, why you should have to have this book? Because okay, so I think you noticed this. A99 means Arpita Karba's book, 99 page. Okay. Yes. So why you should have to have this book? Because I have seen, and many of the aspirants have said that questions are coming from the lines of this book. That's why it is called Bible of paper one. Many of us like to say this. Yes. So the yes, you have to read all the sentences with using a pencil or a highlighter, and because questions really come from this book. Okay, so those who set questions, I think they read this book because it will be very easier for them, right? Because they are already practicing these concepts each year, each day. But the aspirants like us and the beginners, for those who are new to every concepts, it may seem tough to you. So yes, and its PDF version is available, and it's already available in any Telegram channel you can find. Okay, just search it and you will get it. So yes, and of course it has at least 500 MCQs to practice. You can see this, and it's one thing that I love. And you know what, you have to read this book word by word, and when you are like facing a problem that you can't understand, you have to take help of internet. Okay, I have mentioned this. So those students who are have experienced paper one in their exams or anything, or those who have taken tuition for to understand paper one, to clear paper one concept, and they now want a book, I would recommend them to buy not this edition but the different edition. Okay, this will gonna help you, I must have to say. And personally, I didn't read this book that much, because I was comfortable with one book, and it depends on you, right? So yes, the line fits this book very well, that you can love it or hate it, but you can't ignore it. Okay, so just look at this. So don't buy 7th edition, buy different edition of KVS Madan. Okay, I have mentioned, I have put an illustration of which edition you may buy. Okay, right? And its PDF version is available, so you can go with this also. But I would suggest you to buy any book. Okay, because having a physical book is really important, because I now don't want to give a lecture on why you should buy a physical book and blah blah blah, but Yes, that's what it is. I think it's a very short review of this book. And if you have any question, any doubt regarding this book, then please shoot it in the comment section and I will answer this properly. That's all. So now in the next next video, I will review about this particular book, and this will be the last of this video series. It's last but not the least. So yes.